And welcome back to my channel. So I'm super excited to show you today my first house. So I have recently moved in. I've been in here for just under a month, I think it is. And so at the moment I'm getting everything sorted and set up. Finally got sort of most of my furniture in. So I'm just going to show you a quick tour. Please excuse some of the windows didn't have curtains up yet, so I haven't got around to putting up the poles. Still sort of umming and ahhing as what I want up as well in terms of like the light shades and stuff. So if you guys have any suggestions as well of what would look good in here as well. I do have a dining room table at the moment, but it's not the one that I want. It's just one that my brother gave me. And the same with the sofas as well. They're really nice actually. But I'm thinking maybe I might change them in the future, but we shall see. I'll show you around anyway. And yeah, hope you enjoy. Start you off with the front door. So this is the entrance hallway. This is my front door. And so when you enter the house, you have the stairs up here, and then to the right of us is the kitchen. So I'll show you the kitchen quickly. So as I was saying, this table, I think it's actually an office table. So I would like to put a round table in here, and I'm using camping chairs at the moment because I still haven't decided what table and chairs I want to get. And this is my son's high chair as well. It's just myself and my son that live here. And I've got this really nice copper light shade that was from Matalan, and I think it looks really nice up there because the light fixture is in a really weird position. So and I wasn't quite sure what to put up there. Sorry, it is a little bit of a mess. I have been doing the washing up, but this is essentially the kitchen. I've got my oven finally, my microwave, kettle, and all my appliances finally came after a huge disaster with John Lewis. So yeah, I actually ordered all my stuff from AO in the end because they were a lot quicker in terms of delivering all my stuff. And sorry, that car seat, I'm trying to sell that on eBay because we don't need it anymore. It's too small for my son. And I've got this bin here. I can't remember what it's called now. Simple Human bin, I think it is. Bins are so expensive. So yeah, I managed to get that one on Amazon. Which wasn't too pricey, and it fit in a nice space there. So I'm going to take you through to the hallway, and we go down here. And so actually we have a couple of cupboards under the stairs. There's one cupboard here with some, I'm trying to organise it, but at the moment it's just got a couple of stuff just thrown in at the moment while I sort everything. But I've got all my camping stuff, Christmas stuff and everything like that down there. But yeah, I need to get some shelves and organise all that. We'll get in there. And then in this cupboard here is my coat and shoe cupboard essentially. With the light. Oh, there we go. So my son has got loads of shoes. And he can't even walk on them by himself yet. And then all my shoes, which I think I need to get rid of some of my shoes. I feel like I have too many at the moment. But I guess compared to a lot of women, I have, you know, not many shoes. But I do need to organise them and declutter a little bit. And the same with the coats. My son's got a coat up there, which he doesn't actually, he used it last winter. But I think it's too small for him now. Okay. Oh, and I shall take you into the... We have a downstairs toilet, which is unnecessarily massive for English standards anyway. So I use it for my laundry room as well. So I have been doing some laundry. And so yeah, just got the sink in there and toilet and my little laundry basket from Ikea. So yeah, that's the downstairs bathroom. Not very exciting, but just wanted to show you. And then I'll take you through to the lounge at the back of the house. So as you can see, we've got nice big windows and a nice door for the garden. Nice sunny day at the moment. And so yeah, we have one sofa there. Probably wondering why I've got a cardboard box. My son loves to play in cardboard boxes. If he's ever getting grumpy or anything like that and you put him in a cardboard box, he's happy again. Give him a few toys in there. So yeah. And then my other sofa, a couple of teddies. I like to sit and chill and watch TV or whatever. That's my day bag with all my son's bits and pieces in. And then a little play mat for him. And my TV is currently on the floor. It's been like that since I've moved in. I'm not sure whether I want it up on the wall or on a little stand there. I'm not sure at the moment. So yeah, undecided. If you have any suggestions of what I should do. My mum reckons I should have it on a stand because then it will just be in front of all the plugs and everything like that and hide them a little bit. But yeah, some more of his toys, which I try and keep tidy and not to have too many toys because he actually enjoys just playing with yeah, a cardboard box. And then yeah, the patio, some of his toys out there as well. Yeah, that's it for downstairs. Oh, I'll show you around here as well. Oh, let's get this mat out of the way. Behind the door I've got this little cabinet here, which is from my mum's house. A lot of furniture is being given to me because my parents are decluttering as well, so they were trying to get rid of some of their furniture. So that was from my mum's house, which was originally from my granny's house actually before that. And in it I just house, I'm not sure they're interested, stationery, all my paperwork and files. It looks really messy at the moment, so I do need to organise that as well, but it's just finding the time to do it all when you have a little 14-month-old running around trying to grab you and things. Right, I'm going to show you upstairs as well, so go back to the front door. I'm going to take you upstairs. Excuse me if I'm a little bit quieter because my son is currently sleeping up here. Yeah, I'll take you up here. So to the right we have my bedroom. So nice big bed. It's actually a king size mattress, but the bed is currently just a double, so I need to change the bed. But the bed's from Ikea. I really like it, but it's just too small and quite high up. And then all my stuff up here. So I have obviously my video monitor for him, lamp and water bottle, and then this sleepy feet to help my son go to sleep. I'm not sure if it works or not. He's generally an alright sleeper anyway. Yeah, and then there's actually nothing in here at the moment. And this is just all essential bits I need for night time. Yeah, a couple of books which I don't have time to read at the moment, but someday I might do. My wardrobe, nice big windows. I finally put my curtains up the other day. My chest of drawers. Yeah, that's my room basically. And like I said, there's no light shade for my light at the moment. I'm not entirely sure what type I want to go for yet. So if you have any ideas of what I could have, what would look good in this room, please let me know. Oh, I think he's awake. I'll just show you the bathroom quickly while I'm here, and then we'll go and grab him. So yeah, this is my bathroom. It's quite a good, decent size actually. It's a toilet, sink, towel rail. I need some kind of cabinet or something to put all my toiletries in, because at the moment they're just in that basket, which when I'm showering, my son likes to play with that basket and just get all the bits and pieces out and throw them around. So yeah, little toys for him in the bath. And then yeah, I haven't actually had a bath in here yet. My son obviously has, but I just use the shower all the time. Yeah, so let's go back out the bathroom. And then another cupboard here, which is a nice good size, which I keep all my excess towels in, bedding and toiletries, which I have far too many of. And he's awake. And this is my son's room, which is ginormous as well. Hello, monkey. Hi. You say hello. Are you dancing? Are you dancing? In case you're probably wondering what he's wearing on his arms, these are called scratch sleeves because he has eczema, so he scratches his head quite a lot. Even if I cut his nails down really, really short, he still manages to scratch himself, so he has to wear those when he's sleeping, when he's tired. And you, monkey? Where's Bear? He's got his sheep, Bear. So yeah, this is his cot, and the chest of drawers, which is from my mum's house, which need repainting. I was going to do them like the bottom half white and the top half like a nice sort of greeny bluey colour. I think would look nice in here. He has a little book corner with his teddies, this little basket ottoman thing with all his other toys in, which he's kind of outgrown, so they're just in there until he has completely finished playing with them. More books, which are a little bit more advanced for him, and then all his little bits and pieces here, and then please excuse all this crap. This stuff is all his clothes and stuff that he's outgrown. Baby bouncer, which he doesn't use anymore, which needs to be sold. Yeah, all this stuff is basically all baby stuff, which he doesn't need anymore, really. So I need to get on and sell that when I've got time, but it's just finding time for everything. I've got these really nice curtains for his room, actually. I got these on Amazon, and like I wanted to do the drawer, maybe that colour on top of it as well would look really nice. But I just need to, I've got the curtain poles, got the curtains, but I just need someone to come and hang it all for me. Yeah. And yeah, I just need a light fixture as well. If you think of anyone that would suit being in here, not too babyish, because I don't want to change it in 5 years' time when he's outgrown it. So yeah, I was thinking maybe some kind of bamboo wicker type light fixture. I'm not sure. And then actually I ordered on Amazon a world map with animals on it. So I'm waiting for that to arrive, then I'm going to stick that on that wall, and that would look really nice. Just give it a bit of colour, because I don't really want to do any painting because it's all newly painted anyway, it being a new house. Yeah, and that's basically my tour. So guys, I hope you enjoyed a tour of my house. Yeah, please let me know if you have any suggestions of how I should decorate it, what extra furniture I should put in it, and make it a little bit more colourful. I like things quite plain anyway, but yeah, maybe a splash of colour here and there, like in the lounge. I think maybe a bit of a yellow perhaps. But yeah, I'd like to hear your thoughts, and I shall leave you to get on with the rest of your day. And yeah, we're going to go off to Granny and Grandad's to go and plant some flowers and have a barbecue, aren't we? You say bye? Where are you? Say bye. Alright, see you later guys.